What's the meaning of care? Care. Care.
Care. Care. Care can be defined as the concern, attention, or consideration that is given to someone or something. It involves taking responsibility for the well-being of others or oneself and showing empathy and compassion towards them. When we care, we take actions that show our commitment and concern for someone or something. This can include providing emotional support, physical aid, or simply being present and attentive. Ultimately, caring fosters positive relationships and can lead to a sense of fulfillment and purpose in life.